guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ara, and for today's video, we're going to be featuring one of Cyberbacker's popular job, which is yung Cyberbacker itself. So, lagi niyong naririnig yung Cyberbacker na term with the company name, with the employees, we are Cyberbackers. But, yung original talaga na pinagmula ng lahat is the Cyberbacker job, no? So, marami akong inquiries here about transcription jobs, admin tasks, or email management. So, yung Cyberbacker job na role, the original, is yun talaga siya, no? So, let me explain further. Again, pasensya na, medyo haggard tayo, kakatapos lang ng shift ko today with Cyberbacker. And I just wanna, put this video out there as soon as possible because we are getting really thousands of applicants every week. No joke. Sobrang dami ng applicants ngayon. I know everybody is looking for an alternative. Working from home is a new normal and we wanted to help as much as possible. So, just making sure that the videos I publish are, up to date and really helpful for you guys. Okay, so ano ba yung Cyberbacker, no? So again, if you go to our website, that's www.cyberbacker.ph/careers. So you'll see there the available jobs that we have, and the number one job that you'll find is the Cyberbacker itself. So one thing that you want to do is you just click on the plus sign, and then it will allow you to read the job description itself. So ano ba yung ginagawa ng Cyberbacker talaga, no? So this one includes transcription, preparing paperwork, scheduling of consultation with clients, preparing and emailing weekly reports, updating virtual files, build ongoing task list, oversee administrative tasks, tsaka several admin tasks, no? So this one, a lot of people has been asking, like, non-voice ba siya or voice ba siya? I would say that it's 50-50 because, 50% non-voice, 50% voice because you don't really do calls, it's voice kasi you need to attend meetings, you need to talk to your client via a phone call or via a Zoom, ganun. Kaya siya voice, but you don't necessarily do like live calls offering, products to a client or selling real estate. It's not that kind of voice, no? So I would say that it's just 50-50 non-voice, 50% voice. Okay, so I hope that's cleared. And then, just a little bit background about this job also, because when I applied here in Cyberbacker, I was not the social media manager that I am today. I was actually applying for this position exactly because I wanted to, try something different. And that was, I don't know, like 2.5 years ago already. And then I passed this. So I passed the CBPA. If you don't know what the CBPA is or the Values Assessment Exam, please check out the video I posted like 2 days ago. It will, help you get prepared for that assessment exam. And also I passed the, college-like entrance exam. And then I passed the initial interview. I passed the final interview. So I qualified for this job specifically. And then Craig Goodliff, our CEO, he saw, how passionate I am with social media, and social media management, digital marketing was always been my background way back. So he said that, hey, since we don't have this position yet in the company, why don't you head the whole department? So I was like, okay, okay, that's all right. I mean, I'm good. Okay, it's fine. So, well, although I qualified for the Cyberbacker job role, I did not take it. I was transferred to the marketing department, and I was now managing the whole social media and digital marketing team. So that's that. But to give you a, just quick background of what does it do, it involves a lot of transcribing. So based on, purely just my experience, you'll hear your clients talking with a call, and then you're the one going to, you're going to be using some tools that your client wants to use, and then you're going to be transcribing all the important information that needs to be transcribed. Okay, so it's mostly that, and then email management and admin tasks. So that's what being a really Cyberbacker is all about, really. So don't worry so much about, the calls or the voice, because it's very minimal for this specific job post, okay? We're talking about Cyberbacker, we're not talking about Cyber Recruiter. Cyber Recruiter is purely voice job position, and that one is really popular too because a lot of BPO and call center applicants are actually trying to apply for that job. And with that job and this one, we're always hiring. Okay, so hindi siya nauubos. Laging kailangan namin ng mga applicants for this type of job. Okay, so more details about the Cyberbacker job. This one, no BPO or no virtual experience needed or required. Okay, hindi namin kailangan from you. This is open for undergrads but not for working students or students. Okay, so if hindi ka nakapag-college or hindi ka nakatapos ng college, it's okay as long as you're undergrad, you can qualify still, no? So in my previous videos, I always keep saying that diplomas is not really important for us. Bachelor's degree, master's degree, it's not important for us. Okay. However, we do not accept working students, no, because we want our employees to be 101% focused with our job, with our clients, because this really is a commitment. No, this is not chill. It's not a joke kind of job. So you need to take things seriously. Also, if you're a student, we wanted you to focus on your studies first, right? Before you actually take on a more responsibility with the job. Okay, and then the next is it full-time and part-time? We are offering the Cyberbacker job position for both. So it's open for full-time and part-time. However, again, guys, for part-time, unfortunately, we are not yet accepting those with other full-time commitments. So let's say you are a call center agent by day and then you want to be a Cyberbacker at night. We cannot do that. No, again, commitment is a must for us. But let's say if you're a business owner, let's say you're an online seller in Lazada or Shopee, or you have an online business, or if you have a business, that's okay. Okay, you can still apply to us. Okay, next is working hours. So we do follow, as mentioned in the previous videos, we followed Mountain Standard Time. So what is Mountain Standard Time? Paki-Google, kasi you need to convert that time versus the Philippine time. But mostly this is graveyard shift for our Filipino employees, and working hours will still depend in the company or with your client. So working hours for everybody is different, okay? Hindi siya pare-pareho. Another is age limit. So we don't have age limit na like by 50 you can't apply. No, walang ganon. Because we definitely have, senior citizens in our company. Also, I think your age limit lang is you have to be 18 years old and above, because that's the legal working age in the Philippines and also in the US, I think. Yeah. And then you must be fluent in English, both in written and oral or speaking. So if you're not that good, you can still try. No, let's see. You can check. Tingnan mo kung how are you going to talk and present yourself during the interview, and then we'll find out. And then, is training provided? Okay, so training is provided for hired applicants only. No, so lahat ng jobs na makikita nyo available on the website, also the jobs that we are posting in our Facebook page, training is provided. Always. Hindi namin kayo papakawalan sa kliyente nyo nang wala kayong alam. Okay? And then, the duration of the training, it's case-to-case basis. Hindi siya pare-pareho, no? But ideally, it should be like within 2 weeks before namin kayo ibigay with your clients. Also, we have an awesome support system here for new hires. So, for example, if you're a new hire, you have your client already waiting, you go with your training, and then you're going to be paired up with a head backer. So what are head backers? Head backers are your trainers, and I was part of the head backer before, and then as a head backer, we will train you, and also we will guide you and help you within your first 90-day period with your client. Okay, so if there's any problem with your client, if you're experiencing some difficulty, you can go to your head backer so we can help you out. Okay, that's within your 90 days. That's your 3 months. Your first 3 months in the company will be guided and helped by your head backers. Alright, and then what happens now is if you want to apply for this job, again, please check out the videos I've uploaded before. I uploaded the how to apply, very specific na yun, guys. Sobrang step-by-step na siya. You just need to watch it, at sabayan yung video if you're having difficulty applying in the website. Again, this job, yes, so maraming nagtatanong ng salary. For your Cyberbacker role, we can disclose it, like the potential. So the potential salary for this job, for Cyberbacker job itself, it's $400 to $800 potential salary. So, bakit potential? Kasi iba-iba naman yung packages, salary packages for people, for employees here. So, that one we cannot specifically disclose. No, but the potential salary is that it's between $400 to $800. Okay? And also performance-based. So, kung you're the type of person na, you're really good, you're really passionate about, working from home and being a cyberbacker, you'll definitely earn a lot being here. Okay, so I'm not kidding. Like, I don't want to make this video long, but I've only been with Cyberbacker for 2.5 years, but I was able to buy my condo for all the money that I saved, I'm earning. I bought a condo and a lot more. Alright, so again, if you tried applying at Cyberbacker before and you failed, please don't give up. Don't lose hope. You have your 3 months and 90 days period clearing. Please try again. We have a lot of jobs waiting. It's just that we're very picky with our applicants. Of course, we want you guys to pass our exams, our interviews, and flying colors, so that we make sure that we will be able to pair you with the right job and the right client that you'll be happy to stay with and to work with. So that's why it takes time. Also, I want to apologize if there has been a lot of delays with the interviews and the results of exam. I'm not kidding, guys. We are receiving really thousands of applicants and there's just a lot of backlogs right now. So please, just understand, please be patient. We're going to get back to you eventually. The results are gonna come in. So please, if you haven't received any update from us within the 7 working days after everything has been done on your end, please do reach out to us on our Facebook page, or we have a support chat in our website also that you can check, so you can follow up on that also. And also, again, I just wanna say, with the on-demand interview, it's a first-come, first-served basis, with the initial interview. After you filled out the application form, you can go right ahead in the on-demand interview. But again, because there's a lot of applicants falling in line with the interview, it's gonna take a few hours if you're going to wait there. So, I would suggest you can do it in the, 4 a.m., 3 a.m., madaling araw, around that time, so the line is not that long for you to get interviewed. Alright, if there's any more problem with that, you can definitely reach out to us on Facebook or in our support chat. Alright, so that's that. By the way, guys, we're going to be introducing new segments next week on the blog, because I noticed that even though I keep answering your questions in the videos I've uploaded before, some of the new followers, new subscribers, are still asking them and not finding the answers on the previous video. So what I'll do is, we'll do isang tanong, isang sagot segment over the next few days. So the videos are going to be short because I'm only going to be answering the most important questions. So I'll pick random questions from our subscribers and our senders, and then we're going to focus on that. Alright, so there, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section below, and then sasama natin siya dun sa bagong segment. Alright? So thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. My followers base is growing really fast. My viewer rate is growing really fast as well. And, I'm just really grateful for everyone. And I hope you love the videos, and the content I'm giving you. And I hope I'm able to help you find a work from home job. Alright? So thank you so much. Bye!